The Portwell WEBs-45J1, an advanced, embedded, rugged, fanless system that's redefining edge AI applications. Built to excel in demanding environments, the WEBs-45J1 supports 14th Gen Intel Core processors, delivering future-proof performance for industrial automation, smart factories, and smart cities. With powerful AI capabilities, enhanced by the optional Halo 8M.2 AI acceleration module offering 26 TOPS performance, the WEBs-45J1 enables precise image recognition and analysis. From quality control to traffic management, it delivers unparalleled accuracy. Supporting up to 96 GB of DDR5 memory. The WEBs-45J1 ensures smooth multitasking, even in demanding applications. Engineered for harsh environments, it operates seamlessly across a wide temperature range. Its versatile I/O expansion options provide unmatched flexibility for integration into diverse edge AI solutions. With a rugged, fanless design and wide voltage input support, the WEBs-45J1 ensures reliable operation in various environments. Its advanced connectivity and AI-driven features streamline operations, enhance security, and boost productivity. Portwell WEBs-45J1, your partner in revolutionizing industrial automation and smart city solutions. For more solutions, contact Portwell.